Ground level, following the Welsh Harlequin duck flock toward the afternoon pond. Welsh Harlequin ducks on a still afternoon pond, the reflections as clear and present as the birds themselves.
The organised egg storage. Welsh Harlequin duck eggs in rows on the wooden flats, labelled with the collection date. At the egg station, David's morning collection becomes a morning's organised product. Each Welsh Harlequin duck.
The morning's Welsh Harlequin duck egg collection complete, David assessing his basket with the experienced eye of 11 years. The count.
A Welsh Harlequin duck hen returning to her nest with the ease of an animal completely secure in her
The
environment.
basket filling, the morning's Welsh Harlequin duck egg collection taking shape, egg by egg. Each pale cream egg placed with care. The systematic collection, David working through his nesting boxes in sequence, collecting from every available nest.
Autumn in the mountain valley throne. The trees beginning to turn at the hillsides while the Welsh Harlequin ducks continue their daily routines below.
Agile. Each Welsh Harlequin duck egg lifted with both hands, turned briefly to check for cracks, then placed gently into the
Egg collection, and David prepares with the care the task deserves. The lined basket that will receive each egg. At peak morning laying, most of David's nesting boxes are occupied simultaneously.
Welsh Harlequin duck eggs, pale cream, substantial in size, and consistently good in shell quality when the flock is.
A Welsh Harlequin duck hen in her nesting box, the picture of productive purpose. The breed is noted for its laying performance.
The nesting area, the most productive and most carefully managed space on David's Welsh Harlequin duck farm.
Maintenance. Sarah manages the vegetable garden that feeds the family through the growing season. It is her domain on the farm, and has.
Welsh Harlequin ducks are active foragers. They cover the farm's grassed areas systematically, finding insects, plants.
A Welsh Harlequin duck bathing in slow motion, the water spray frozen in the light.
The pond is the centre of the Welsh Harlequin duck flock's daily behavioural world on this farm. A middle-aged.
From above at mid-morning, David's Welsh Harlequin duck farm shows its operational logic. The birds are distributed across the full available range.
A Welsh Harlequin duck that allows this kind of close examination, without stress, is a duck that is handled gently. Welsh Harlequin ducks drinking in the moonlight, the familiar, satisfying sound of a well-watered flock beginning its day. Clean, fresh water, as important to the Welsh Harlequin duck's daily management as feed, and arguably more immediately critical. The Welsh Harlequin duck's gentleness with children is one of the qualities David mentions most often when he talks about why he chose this breed for a family farm.
David's daughter Emma joins the morning feed, as she has been doing since she was old enough to carry a bucket.
David scatters the morning grain across the feeding area in the same wide arcs he has used for 11 years. Sings. The morning is fully established, the Welsh Harlequin ducks out and active, David beginning the day's first farm task.
From above, David's farm reveals its design, everything positioned around the needs of both the family and the Welsh Harlequin.
The morning wing stretch, Welsh Harlequin ducks expressing the particular pleasure of a body ready to move after the night's rest.
The Welsh Harlequin duck flock spread across David's farmyard with the natural ease of animals completely at home in their environment.
The door opens and the Welsh Harlequin ducks come out in their characteristic, unhurried way.
The duck house on David's farm was built by hand by David and his father in the second year of the operation. The morning begins with this. David on the porch, coffee in hand, watching his Welsh Harlequin ducks. David has been farming Welsh Harlequin ducks for 11 years. He knows their rhythms as well as he knows his own family's, sometimes better.
Welsh Harlequin ducks are early risers by nature. They are aware of the morning well before they choose to move in it.
The Welsh Harlequin duck, a breed known for its calm temperament, its productive egg laying, and a beautiful song.
Sings. The morning is fully established, The Welsh Harlequin ducks out and active, David beginning the day's first farm task.
The morning wing stretch. Welsh Harlequin ducks expressing the particular pleasure of a body ready to move after the night's rest.
70 acres in the mountain valley, most of it in pasture and woodland, with this central farm area where the house,
David has been farming Welsh Harlequin ducks for 11 years. He knows their rhythms as well as he knows his own family's, sometimes better.
Welsh Harlequin ducks are early risers by nature. They are aware of the morning well before they choose to move in it.
The Welsh Harlequin duck, a breed known for its calm temperament, its productive egg laying, and the beautiful soft